know about her? Tell me now!
It wasn't us. It was the old lady.
Old lady? Wait! No! Wait! You don't understand! She's in trouble! Wait!
What's this? Open up!
What's the password?
What?
Nope.
Open this door!
Not even close.
You have 3 seconds. 1. 2. 3.
Frying pans! Who knew, right?
Oh, biscuits.
Stop right there, Scott!
Step aside before anger becomes punch.
Every man for himself.
Fluffernutter.
Head down.
Head down.
Arms in.
Arms in.
Knees apart.
Knees apart. Knees apart?
Up.
Why do I need to keep my knees apart? Max. You brought them here? Thank you. No, really. Thank you. I feel maybe this whole time we've just been misunderstanding one another and we're really just... Yeah, you're right. We should go.
You're not going anywhere.
Ride like the wind, Bullseye!
They're gonna catch us. They're gonna dissect us. Well, this is our stop. We are falling.
Okay, Max. Let's see how fast you can run. Hold on to your holster.